Flamingos inhabit alkaline and saline-based lakes and lagoons. They are characterized by their large bills that are specialized for filter feeding, and they have long necks, long legs, and webbed feet. The greater flamingo feeds mainly on microscopic organisms, whilst the lesser feeds mainly on algae. They nest in colonies. The lesser flamingo has an almost maroon-colored bill, whilst the greater flamingo has a bill that is pink and almost whitish in color. The lesser flamingo is found in East Africa, and large populations also exist in Namibia, Botswana, and northwest India. The greater flamingo ranges from West Africa to southeast India and Ceylon, and from Kazakhstan south to the Western Cape province of South Africa.
The flamingo turns the color because it eats itself.
Is it overfished, this coast?
It was overfished. Now they
After the
doing
Portuguese affair and this stuff.
It's amazing that
There's a pelican
this
flying.
big bird only away